So what I have here is 8 of these 5-foot fence board, and I had 4 of these 5-foot fence board cut into 4 feet length. So these are going to be lengthwise, these are going to be widthwise, and I'm going to build 2 layers of it. Then I have these stakes that I'm going to use to bind everything together, and they have this pointy end, so they're going to dig into the ground, and it's going to prevent the raised bed from moving. So we're going to join these 2 pickets. It's 4 feet wide pickets. We're going to join these with these stakes. So the middle part is joined by the stakes. The end part will be joined by the length-wide 10 feet pickets. This is the lengthwise. This is 10 feet long. These are 5 feet fence pickets, and we are going to join these on each end with the stakes. I'm going to put a stake in the middle, another stake in the middle of this section, and another stake at the end, and then we're going to hold everything together with this. So this is the cutoff piece that we got from cutting the 4 feet fence picket. So when we cut the 5 foot into 4 feet, this was 1 foot section that we got. So this piece goes into this cross section where 4 boards are joined. So I'm going to place this one right in the middle, and it's going to hold the whole structure together. So what I have here is each side built on the ground on a level surface, and I have 4 fence pickets joined together to make a 10-foot side. So each one of these fence picket is 5 foot wide, and I have 2 layers of it, and I joined it with the wooden stakes. And I have a 1 foot cutout section of a fence picket that came from the 4 foot cut, and I have it right in the middle of this cross section where all 4 of these fence pickets join, and this is going to hold this together. And I have the wooden stake in the middle of the 5 foot section and at the end, and the 4 feet side is joined together by a wooden stake that's right in the middle. The sides are going to join together with the wooden stake on the end of the 10-foot section. We're going to join all of this together, and it's going to be 10 foot by 4 foot raised bed. So here it is. We put all of this together, and we used this end stake to hold together the corner, and we put screws in there on each fence picket with 2 layers, and I put 2 screws in each fence picket on this side, which is 4 screws on this end. It's going to hold everything together pretty nicely. And here is the middle part where the cross section comes in, and these wooden stakes are going to drive into the ground, and it's not going to let the raised bed move around. It's going to stabilize the raised bed. And here is each corner, and this is the raised bed. And the cost of this whole bed was $24 with tax. So each one of these fence pickets are $1.79, and I had to use some of the stakes. So it's actually might be a little bit less than 24, but it's right around $24 for a 4 by 10 foot bed.